Ernst Hunker works as lithographic master printer for artists from all over the world, who work more or less in a realistic manner. There are artists who both draw and print themselves. However, the work of the stone printer being so complicated, the artist usually draws on the stone and leaves the printing to the specialized printer. A close cooperation is of the utmost importance. Poen de Wijs and Ernst Hunker have worked together for over 25 years. Poen de Wijs made the drawing he wanted, and he is present when the print is made, decides on the colors and the sequence of the printing sessions. In between printing sessions, he makes the necessary alterations on the stone. Ernst Hunker and his assistants operate the press, take care of the chemical process, and oversee the print run, the number of copies pressed from a stone. The proofs are reviewed. As both artist and printer agree, the first session is printed. Three print runs of the same image in different tones of grey are needed to get a saturated print of the image. First, the stone should be wetted and then rolled with coloured ink. Then a sheet of paper is laid in the right place at the stone, and stone and paper are run together through the press. Fortunately, the great quick press of the museum accomplishes all these processes itself. That is to say, the minimum of 3 people is needed to operate the machine. But one print run, of in this case 150 copies, is therefore finished in half an hour. Using the airbrush, a quick alteration on the stone is made. Again, a chemical treatment is necessary. And again, the proofs have to be reviewed. Between each print run, the stone must be changed. Each new colour has a different place on the stone. This means that first the stone should be treated chemically, after which Poen has to draw areas for the indicated colour in the right place. Thanks to the use of registration marks crosses, this is no problem. Instead of drawing on stone, the airbrush can be used very well. With pieces of lead to weigh them down, the template remains perfectly in place. The airbrush, filled with greasy ink, makes a quick alteration possible. To be able to print in colour, another chemical treatment is needed. In this way, the different colours, red, yellow and blue, are printed, one after another. In between, a small correction is made with a brush and strong nitric gum.
Volgens mij is hij perfect. Oh, maar hier bijvoorbeeld zie je dat er net een heel klein dingetje zit. Zo, goed. Dat komt blauw.
A last tone is made on the stone to cover the image with a transparent shade, suggesting the shade white. One week drawing on the stone and 3 days printing in 7 print runs were necessary to create the lithograph Carnaval of the Animals in an edition of 150 copies.